everyone, I'm Teresa. And last chapter I read you of Amelia Bedelia Makes Her Splash Book 11 was chapter 3, which was called Homesick Meets Homesick. So today I'll read you chapter 4, which is called You Are Here, No Kidding. Amelia Bedelia woke with a start. The bus had stopped. She looked out the window. They were surrounded by huge pine trees, and the sky above was a deep blue. That was no catnap, said Alice, putting on her backpack. You slept for like 4 hours. Sorry, said Amelia Bedelia. She looked around the bus. All the girls were gathering up their things. I'm sorry, I'm so boring, said Alice. You are not at all, Amelia Bedelia yawned. Boring. Alice rolled her eyes and handed Amelia Bedelia her backpack. Do you know what you talk in your sleep? She asked. Who's finally? My dog, said Amelia Bedelia. She's the sweetest, and I miss her so much. I love dogs, Alice agreed. Amelia Bedelia followed Alice off the bus. The first thing she noticed was a giant trash can. It was a metal drum-like can without a top. This is Amelia Bedelia waking up from sleeping. This is a cat on a pillow. This is finally. And this is Alice talking to Amelia Bedelia getting off the bus. Someone had painted great big daisies all over it. Next to the trash can was a huge painted map of the camp showing all the buildings and geographical pictures such as a hill, a lake, and the woods. The cabins were arranged in clusters. An X marked the spot where they stood. Amelia Bedelia, you are here, said Alice, tapping the X. Don't remind me, said Amelia Bedelia. She looked at her feet, expecting to see a giant X under her red and green sneakers. That big place on the hill must be the dining hall, said Alice, pointing to a large building on the map. We eat in a hallway, asked Amelia Bedelia, standing up. I think it's just a giant room with tables and a kitchen, said Alice. My mom said the food here isn't half bad. So it's half good, asked Amelia Bedelia. Alice shrugged. That's optimistic. Next to the map was a signpost and all the signs for various places. Archery and poetry and waterfront and laundry and showers were on arrows pointing in different directions. This is the trash can. This is a sign that says dining hall. This is the dining hall. And this is a water glass saying half empty, half full. You decide. And this is the map for Camp Echo Woods. And it says Consolier's Cabin, Campfire Crescent, Pottery, Arts and Crafts, Canoes and Boats, Beach, High Dive, Echo Lake, Miss Evans House, Litter, Trading Post, Road, Map, You Are Here, Dining Hall, Health Center, Archery, Laundry, Showers, Herb Garden. Front and center stood a tall, thin pole painted white with a flag snapping in the breeze at the top. The place was beginning to make sense to Amelia Bedelia. She twirled around and around like a ballerina, taking it all in. But now Amelia Bedelia was getting dizzy. She staggered back and tripped. Just before she hit the ground, a pair of strong hands caught her. "Whoa there," said the young woman holding her up. "Nice catch," said Alice. "Thanks," said Amelia Bedelia. She was looking at the young woman upside down, but she couldn't tell she was nice. "Upsy daisy," said the woman, lifting Amelia Bedelia back to her feet. "Hi there," the young woman said. "My name is Peggy." Amelia Bedelia read the name embroidered on the young woman's shirt. "Thanks, Peggy." "Did you borrow that shirt from Margaret?" she asked. This is a sign that says shower, archery, laundry, pottery, waterfront. This is a flag that says Camp Echo Woods. And this is Peggy holding up Amelia Bedelia with Alice watching. "Peggy is short for Margaret," said Peggy, smiling. "Who are you?" "Amelia Bedelia." "My name isn't short for anything." Peggy took a clipboard from under her arm and scanned a list of names. "Ah, here you are," she said. "Bedelia, Amelia?" "Nope, that's backwards," said Amelia Bedelia. "Amelia comes first, then Bedelia." "My list is alphabetical," said Peggy. "In the alphabet, A comes before B," said Amelia Bedelia. "Right," said Peggy, "but on my list, last names come first." So far, Camp Echo Woods was a roller coaster. She had only been here for 5 minutes, and she was already feeling completely confused. How was she going to last for 28 days? Alice looked over Peggy's shoulder and pointed at her own name. "Here I am," she said. "Hi, Alice," said Peggy. "There are 5 of you who have never been to Camp Echo Woods before." This is Peggy finding Amelia Bedelia's name on the checklist, and Amelia Bedelia and Alice are watching. This is a envelope with the label Margaret, and these are flowers, and that's a roller coaster. "We thought it would be a good idea to put all of you newbies in the same cabin with your own counselor." "That's me," Peggy smiled. "Let's grab your bags and get you settled in. The others are already here. Follow me." Peggy nodded toward the large house facing the lake. "That's where Miss Evans lives," she said. "This is her camp." Just then, as though she had been summoned by the mention of her name, a lady with a walking stick appeared on the porch and called out, "Peggy, who do we have here?" Peggy steered Amelia, Bedelia, and Alice over to the porch and introduced them. Amelia Bedelia thought that Miss Evans looked older than a fossil, but her voice was clear and strong. "Amelia Bedelia," said Miss Evans. "Sounds familiar." "My mother went here when she was a girl," said Amelia Bedelia. "Ah, yes, I remember," said Miss Evans. "And she called me to see if you could join us this summer. Did she drive you here?" "She sure did," said Amelia Bedelia. This is Peggy leading Amelia Bedelia and Alice to Miss Evans' house. These are fossils. This is Amelia Bedelia, mother driving her to Camp Echo Woods. And this is Miss Evans' house. come. This was all her idea. Miss Evans frowned and thumped her stick on the porch. Thump, thump. Actually, Amelia, Bedelia, and Alice came by bus, said Peggy quickly. Well, that's neither here nor there, said Miss Evans. Then where is it? Asked Amelia Bedelia. Where's what? Asked Miss Evans. Where's that? Said Amelia Bedelia. If that's not there, then where is it? Is it here, like on the big map? Miss Evans looked at Peggy, who smiled and shrugged. I'm just happy they both got here, Peggy said. And that's that. I'll be happier to see you in uniform, Amelia Bedelia, said Miss Evans. I'm taking them to their cabins, Peggy. Amelia Bedelia will change and we'll be back for your greeting to the campers. Let's go, girls. Follow me. These are 2 words that says thump, thump. This is Amelia Bedelia shaking her head. This is Amelia Bedelia talking to Miss Evans. And this is Peggy leading Amelia Bedelia and Alice to their cabin. Okay, bye everyone. Read chapter 5 next time.